everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable record phone calls on your Samsung phone. So going down to this phone option right here in the bottom left and just click it, you can see the keypad open. Go to the top right and select this. Go to settings. Now the option for it is just simply going to be on the top. It says record calls. Just select it. Then we have the option for auto record calls, and we can just turn it on right here. Show notifications after recording. Now you can go on down to where it says recorded calls and tap this. And it looks like I have one call in here. I can just tap it and then I can listen to it. Files by Google or voice recorded. I'm not really sure which one. Let's just do this one. Just choose once. Okay, and then we should be able to listen to it. Okay, so I can hear this phone call is probably like a scam call or something like that. Okay, actually it was about some guy called me about solar energy or something like that, and we talked for like 8 minutes, and eventually I said no. So let's go on over to the phone option right here, back here, and you can see all your calls. You can decide if you want on your SD card or your internal storage, and it will automatically delete anything older than 1 month, it seems like. Right here, it's delete recordings older than 1 month. Actually, it doesn't seem like it'll do that. If you just press it, it will do it automatically if you press this button. But all your calls should be saved in here until you decide to delete them. So go and just check them out. They're in the internal storage recording section, and you should be good to go.